The Birdwatcher is a virtual reality framework and toolbox for analyzing bird behavior. The Birdwatcher takes a datasheet with abstract data from GPS-tracked birds and generates the original environment and behavior of the birds. The analyst can step into the world of the birds by taking over the view of one of them. By pressing a button at the controller, the analyst can switch through the birds in the swarm. A panel shows information of the current bird. The name, height, speed and the direction the bird is heading at the moment are displayed. The analyst can pause the simulation. At the right hand, a distance measuring instrument shows the distance to other birds in the swarm. As an external observer, the swarm can be analyzed from a greater distance. This gives the possibility to recognize moving patterns. The swarm shown in this demo is using a thermal to gain height. To investigate factors that could influence wind or thermals, the analyst can move freely in the world and explore the landscape or city locations. As mentioned, the Birdwatcher is a framework. The original landscape with detailed height data, weather and wind conditions are loaded and simulated on the fly and are extended as the analyst moves through the world. Every location on planet Earth is automatically loaded and displayed.